Two stories today make the same quiet move. They tighten control before they let AI touch production. I'm Nick. This is your AI brief for June 16th, 2026. Let's get into it. Today we have exactly two articles, and both point at the same pattern. First, an agent safety write-up from the LangChain team, the agent framework company. Then a spend and evals piece from the LangChain team again, this time on making AI operations easier to measure and control. On the agent side, the message is simple. Permissions matter before cleverness does. The LangChain write-up is the clearest example here. It is a framework company talking plainly about reliability. The pattern is that loose autonomy fails fast once an agent gets real tools. So the team tested an AI agent with live permissions. Unsafe commands showed up quickly. That pushes preflight checks from nice to have into baseline engineering. The practical move is to stop bad actions before they touch anything important. That means observable approvals, rollback paths, and tighter tool call discipline. It also means choosing the simplest setup that still works. The same write-up draws a line between workflows and agents. That matters because some problems need orchestration, not open-ended autonomy. If the job needs memory, recovery, or shared context, you build that deliberately. If it does not, the looser agent layer may just add failure modes. So the forward signal is modest but useful. More teams are treating agent safety as workflow design, not a final review step. Meanwhile, the second piece treats evaluation and spend the same way, as basic production plumbing. The LangChain write-up on cheaper trace judging is the cleanest example. The point is simple. If evals are too expensive, they stay ad hoc. So the team used LoRa tuning to make a trace judge far cheaper. That kept quality close enough for continuous review. The practical implication is direct. Once judging gets affordable, you can run it all the time. That same move shows up in pairwise evaluations. Comparing one output against another gives you a clearer signal than a single score. It is a small shift, but it fits real operator work better. And in the Monday service write-up, Langsmith, its evaluation platform, is baked into day one engineering. That means offline checks, online monitoring, and CI-style runs. The lesson is that evals stop being a side task when they live in the workflow. On the cost side, the same discipline shows up in LangChain's spend piece. Predictable usage matters when engineering and finance both need answers. So they added centralized spend gates and dynamic pricing logic. That gives teams a way to cap runaway agent costs before they surprise anyone. If there is a shared thread, it is small and practical. A couple of teams are turning evals, spend, and safety into default engineering work. Not a verdict, just a sign that the plumbing is getting more attention than the model demo.